Number 15, number 12. Number 12, giving the ball. Pass number 11. Number 11. Stop. Diretso ang bola. Nakakuha ng balon. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11 to number 4. No good. Nakakuha ng number 4. Tadam to number 3. 3 seconds violation. Time break. 8 minutes at 41 seconds now. Hey, before, Papake. Official score 3-2 in favor of Team Chelsea. Number 11 to number 8. Abay again. No good. Last try by Ben Patrick. Number 4, Saddam, to number 13, to number 4 again, looking for three, no good. Number 8, pass number 15, to number 6, Patrick, tumobra ang ball.
Kasi naman nagmamadali.
Number 13, 15, second shot clock. Number 4, giving the ball to number 11, to number 13, Ballerina, to the lead, to number 11, Balone, 5, second shot clock. Royo, number 15, number 13. Basket, number 15. Oh, it's a foul.